Hey y'all, so I have finally jumped on the Miracle Knots bandwagon, y'all, and I think this just might be my favorite hairstyle, so let's get into it. So first thing first, y'all, I went ahead and plaited my hair up, and this right here is a style all by itself, but I wanted to add a little oomph to it. All right, y'all, so I went to my local beauty supply store and purchased this Female Collection Feather Crochet Hair in the color 30 and the color 27 because I wanted to add a little color this time. So yeah, I went ahead and got me a smaller crochet hook too because I do have a lot of hair, but my hair is fine, so I didn't want to put that big old hook through my hair. So when I took the hair out the pad, I didn't like how it smelled, y'all, so I went ahead and washed the hair. I put some apple cider vinegar and some warm water along with some moisturizing shampoo, and let that set in there. Washed it maybe 2 times, and then I went in, rinsed it off, and then went back in with some conditioner and rinsed that out, and then I set it on the towel to let it dry. And I forgot to mention that I did buy 4 packs of hair. I bought 2 27s and 2 30s. All right, y'all, so after I let the hair set for a little while, this is the hair about 95% dry, and then I started to go ahead and add the hair in. Now I did do a pattern for mine just so the colors can flow how I envisioned them to flow. So what I did was each strand, especially in the front, I did 3 per strand, and when I put a 27 at the bottom, I put a 30 in the middle and a 27 at the top. Then the next braid, I did a 30 at the top, 27 in the middle, 30 in the bottom. Then the next plait, I did a 27 at the bottom, 30 in the middle, 27 at the top. And I just went like that throughout my whole front. All right, y'all, so I did the no knot method, and what I did was just put my crochet needle through my hair and put the thread that's attached to the crochet hair onto the hook, close the latch, and pull the needle back through. And then when I got like to the top where the loop was on the other side of the hair, I pulled one piece of the hair through. And because I'm doing a no knot method, once that hair was through, I went ahead and put the hook back through the hair and pulled that same piece of hair back through that same plait. Now, I've seen some people kind of install the hair a little further down from their root, but I wanted to put mine like right at my root just so it could kind of look a little full. So that's what I did, the same exact method, pulled the hair through and then went through that same plait and pulled it back through. And now, y'all, I did not feed in any hair like on the end, y'all, because I just was like, I'm just not doing all that. I just feel like once all the hair started filling in, you can't really see your ends no way. So even when I plaited my hair, I plaited my hair all the way down. Then when I got closer, when I got like almost to the end, I just 2 strands twisted, which you kind of see right here. And I didn't worry about my hair coming loose at the ends because my hair is curly. So once I added a little product to the end, it started curling up. So y'all, I have seen people do different methods to the miracle knots. Like, of course, we've seen the ones where they actually do the knot, and then we have it where they just pull one side through and that's it, kind of like right here, and they leave it like that. And I did try that method on one plait, and I noticed immediately that that wasn't gonna work, y'all, because soon as you like pull the hair, the strands start coming on down. So have you tried the Miracle Knots, or you just want to stick to the feed-in method? Like, I do feel like this is a great alternative, especially if you are doing it by yourself. Like, you can always do the plaits one day and then a few days later you can crochet the hair in. All right, y'all, so I am finished with the front. Yes, I started on the front first because I wanted to see how it would look, y'all, and so far I was loving it. I was just looking at the length. I wasn't too sure if I wanted to keep the length like this, y'all, so I was just like, you know what, let me just put it up in a ponytail and then do the back side, whether or not I wanted to cut it. So this is how it looked when I finished, y'all, and I really love the colors that I chose. But y'all, I still wasn't sure if I wanted my hair to be this long, because y'all, it was so hot, and with me just being in the bathroom with that hair on my back was burning up. So I just decided to just go ahead and cut it, y'all. And I thought I was in view when I was cutting it, but I wasn't. So I just split the hair down the middle, pulled it to the front, and then I just started cutting each side down as if I was cutting layers. And I stepped back for a minute to see how it looked, y'all, and I was super excited, so I had to do me a little dance, and then I just went ahead and finished cutting it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is how the hair turned out, y'all, and I loved it. I love the color, I love the length, I just loved everything about it. I did wear mine up in a ponytail because it was hot, y'all, but I really love the hairstyle. So y'all, let me know whether or not you guys will try this hairstyle, or if you have tried this hairstyle and did you like it and would you get it again. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and definitely share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.